Hello my lovely people and welcome once again in today's episode. I am Chioma. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome to the family. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my burger buns or burger bread, whichever way you call it. But before then, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please try and hit on that red place that says subscribe and also turn on the bell beside it to get notified each time I upload a new video. So let's get started. And here are the ingredients that I will be using to prepare these burger buns. In here I have my milk. Your milk should be a little warm, not hot, just warm. All-purpose flour, sugar, melted butter, salt to taste, active dry yeast, and 1 egg. So all this is just what I need. I will also be leaving the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. So what I just did was just to divide the milk. So in this I will be adding the active dry yeast, then I will be adding the sugar to help to activate it, and I will mix it well. Now I will just cover it and keep it aside. So the next thing I will be adding the salt, now here is our active dry yeast. Look at the way it is. Can you see? It has started already fermenting. Look at how it is. So now I will be pouring it inside the flour. I will mix it well. The next thing I will be adding the butter. So it's better you add your milk little by little so that you get the exact mixture you want. So now I will be spreading some flour on the surface where I will be working. So this time I will start working on it. So after 5 minutes of working with the burger dough, now I will put it back in the bowl, and just see I'm just spreading a little oil on the bowl. Then I will put it inside there and also spread oil on top of the dough so that the upper part will not be rough. The next thing, I will just cover it with a plastic film and with a kitchen towel. Then I will leave it in a very warm place for 1 hour. Then after the 1 hour, so here after the 1 hour, look at, you can now see that our dough have increased in size. Can you just see that? So in here I have my tray. Now I will show you the best and easy way to get the best burger buns shape. Very easy. So I will just give it a press. I will just press it. We'll just cover it and I will leave it to rest for 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes this is what our burger buns look like. I will also be pressing it more because when you put them in the oven they will also rise more. Now I will be adding a little milk to the beaten egg. I will mix it well, and after mixing it with the help of a brush, so we rub them on our burger buns. And this gives them a very nice and beautiful color when they are done. Then after that, I will be spreading a little sesame on top. This is optional. If I like the look it gives to the burger buns. I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees and I will be baking them for 20 minutes. So I introduce them in and bake for 20 minutes. So after the 20 minutes, this is what our burger buns look like. Doesn't that look beautiful? Wow. Very beautiful. Please, if you like what you are saying, just give this video a thumbs up. Okay? Can you just see that? How fluffy it is? Can you just see? And now I will be cutting it. Let's see how is it inside. And can you just see that? Wow, this looks so amazing. Can you just see that? So after that, look at what I made with the burger buns. Oh, look at just what I made. It looks so beautiful and delicious. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit on that red place that says subscribe, and also turn on the bell beside it to get notified each time I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.